Where'd you learn this?
When I lived in Asia, it was one of our employee meals.
Guys, I'm here today with my friend Dominique. He's gonna teach me how to make a very simple dish, very healthy, very easy. You gotta try it. Grilled beef, lettuce, vegetables, super delicious, some soy sauce, some fun, some love. Fun fact, Dominique cooked Nelson Mandela's first meal when he came out of prison in South Africa, right?
Yes, in 1989.
And cooked for several different presidents in the White House. He had a restaurant here called Dominique at the Maison du Puy. For 12 years, he was the chef there. Now he is the chef of a catering company called
Messina Catering and Events.
Check them out, they do amazing work. Now, is this something that you make a lot, you make often, you made in your career? Like, where did you learn this?
When I lived in Asia, it was one of our employee meals. I was working at the Oriental Hotel in Bangkok, and I also worked in Japan, in Roppongi. We're using Boston bibbs as a base.
Okay.
It's like a taco. We're gonna use cucumber, jalapeno, a little bit of fried garlic,
Yep.
some Japanese roasted garlic sauce. Instead of oil, I use beef fat,
Yep.
fresh ginger, scallions. That's what we're going to start with.
Commence.
Okay. You want to take your beef and you want to shave it.
Nice and thin?
Yeah.
What kind of beef is that?
Black Angus beef tip.
Okay.
I like the texture of this. It doesn't break easily. So you want to make it as thin as possible. The trick about this is you want to marinate it for about 4 hours.
And what's it being marinated in?
The Japanese garlic
Yeah.
and chili sauce. And then I also put some fried garlic in it.
The fried garlic is in the marinade?
It's in the
Okay.
marinade. And then I also put the beef fat.
So, ça, je vais mettre là.
Yeah.
Je vais faire un peu de gras dedans.
Yeah. You want to melt the fat a little bit.
C'est assez?
Yeah. c'est bon.
So I'm just melting the fat in the bowl.
And then you want to put a little bit of this.
How long did you work in Japan for?
For about a year. Yeah, while I was doing my culinary career.
Beef has gone in this bowl with the marinade, okay? The two bits of the marinade are in. One of it is beef fat. The other one is like a Japanese garlic sauce, right?
Yes.
So that's now gonna go in the fridge for 4 hours, okay?
This has been marinated for 4 hours.
Okay.
And you see the color changes, and so you want to grill it.
Now, you shouldn't need to really add fat on top of the flat top because there's enough fat in the marinade,
Correct.
right? There's
Correct.
already beef fat in there. It should coat the meat nicely.
So what you want to do is you want to get it a really nice crisp and cook it as much as you can, and then flip it and serve it right away. It's very easy. While it's cooking there,
Okay.
we're going to cut some vegetables.
Okay.
And some, so what you want to do is a little ginger.
Yep.
Then you do the same thing with the carrot.
Julienne.
Yeah.
This looks very fresh, very tasty. Tu veux que je prenne 2 morceaux de laitue?
Oui, s'il te plaît.
Lettuce wraps?
Yeah. You want to put some cucumber, some carrots, some ginger. If you want a little more spice,
I love spice.
then this is going to be
After?
dripped. Yeah. You see it's cooked nearly.
Yeah.
So you flip it and you serve it.
Wow. Donc pour le plupart, c'est dans un côté.
Yeah.
Tu cuisines
Yeah.
avec un côté, après
Yeah.
c'est fini.
Yeah. So you only want to do it one side, and then you take a little bit
Cuillère.
of soy. You want to,
Wow.
voilà,
C'est tout? C'est fini?
c'est fini.
Wow. That's beautiful.
Some color.
Les oignons ou pas?
Je peux. Then you want to top it with a little bit of fried garlic on top.
Damn. Healthy too, right? We're getting lean for the winter time,
That's right.
right? All right. Wow.
Wow.
It's so fresh. That is delicious. And the beef is tender.
The more you marinate it, the tenderize the meat comes.
Beef tip, you said?
Yeah.
Fuck, that's good.